catch up with the weather prospects. Louise, Lear has joined me. Hello.
Thanks, Jane. Well, changeable, but nothing too severe probably sums up this week's weather. And just to make a point, after yesterday's cool, crisp, sunny conditions, I suspect Di's Walk has been a pretty soggy affair. A lot of rain around. It's quite mild out there under the cloud and the rain, but some of it has been quite heavy as it pushes its way in from the west. Behind it, quite a clearance though. Brighter skies, some sunshine, but just that little bit cooler. But just take a look at this. Gorgeous afternoon in South Lanarkshire behind that weather front. But the front will take its time to clear, and that's going to be the theme. Now, this is how we started the week. A cold, crisp, frosty start, but you can see the slice of milder air behind my head, and that's going to be the story, really. The milder air continues to push across the country, but it's short-lived. Another cold spell arrives through the night tonight, a frost, and then the milder air returns towards the end of the working week. But just take a look as we head into the weekend. The colder blues return. As we go towards the weekend, a cold northwesterly wind takes over, windy, cold and crisp. But before we take a look at the weekend, let's take a look at the here and now. Our weather front still has to clear away up through the south coast, across the Midlands, into that southeast corner for the afternoon. And still some of that rain will be heavy, perhaps across Dorset, stretching up into the Midlands towards Lincolnshire. It will weaken off as it pushes into the southeast and probably not really arriving significantly until the early evening rush hour. But behind it, look at this, decent spells of sunshine coming through across much of Wales, Northern Ireland and Scotland. A scattering of showers, fairly isolated, but if you catch one of these, it could be heavy with the odd rumble of thunder, but a cooler, crisper feel here as well. Now, overnight tonight, our weather front still yet to clear away, and it'll take its time to do so into the southeast corner. Behind it, winds fall light, skies remain clear, temperatures are likely to dip away with some patchy mist and fog forming, but a frost quite likely, particularly the further north and west you go. In rural spots, we could see lows of -3 to -4 degrees, so it'll be a frosty start, but there will be another slice of sunshine to look forward to. The cloud and the drizzly rain lingering in the far southeast, clearer skies following on behind. A decent day before the next system pushes in, bringing slightly milder air, as I was talking about earlier on, and some wetter weather into the northwest. But it's interesting to point out that once these fronts clear away, and they will do so, they're going to be a fairly weak affair. But I just want to take a look at what's happening out in the Atlantic. And this significant low could be a bit of an issue as we get towards Friday. Bear that in mind. Jane.
All right, Louise, thank you. And that is all from